There is a killer on the loose. You can't see it, but it's there. It's 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide, and it's escaping into our air supply every day. And if it's in the air, it can find its way into our soil and water supply. It's affecting us more and more every day. But the real effect will be on our children and their children. And it has a name, methane. And we can do something about it right now. There are roughly 50,000 landfills in the world, like this one. Approximately 2,000 are in the US alone, so if one isn't in your neighborhood, it's not far off. And each one is filled with paper products, from writing and printer paper to cups, napkins, dishes, boxes, fast food containers, diapers, and more. The common bond is they're made of paper. And when they decompose in the warm, moist landfill environment, they release methane, a dangerous greenhouse gas that is 25 times more detrimental to the environment than carbon dioxide. Approximately every 5 minutes, some 250 tons of methane enters our atmosphere. Think about that. That's 6 million pounds of methane every hour, 144 million pounds every day, over 1 billion pounds a week, 53 billion pounds a year. And where is all this coming from? Surprise. Corporations, schools, printing companies, and other businesses, some of the largest paper generators and users. The fact is we use a lot of paper. The average American uses the equivalent of one 100-foot-tall Douglas fir tree in wood and paper products each year. Now consider this on a global level. There is 1.5 cubic feet of methane gas produced in 1 pound of paper. Do the math. This is a huge problem. Recycling is a big help, but it's really only part of the solution. Paper can only go through the recycle process roughly 5 times, and then it's destined for the trash heap. And that means more methane. But there is a solution. A safe, natural, effective, and economical solution. BioLith. BioLith is a versatile, natural additive that can be added during the paper manufacturing process or after. It's cost-effective, all natural, and easy to integrate. And BioLith works. Right now, major corporations are already demanding that their paper supplies are treated with BioLith. And commercial printers are integrating BioLith into their process and finding no downside in terms of cost or quality of the paper. Now imagine paper manufacturers adding BioLith into all of their product processes, and printers and packaging companies adding BioLith on paper. Imagine the amount of methane dropping dramatically, leaving cleaner air, water, and soil. Imagine the Earth better off and becoming a better environment for future generations. BioLith can make a big difference. We can make that a reality. For more information on how you can get involved, go to biolith.com.